Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We have our Ipsy box that came in. So we're going to be unboxing all of these. This month we got our Ipsy bag, we got our Boxycharm, and we got our icon box. So I'm really excited to unbox this August unboxing. But before we get started, if you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And without further ado, we're gonna dive right in. So I got all of my boxes in this, and it actually has some goodies in here. So I believe these may go with the icon box. So I'm gonna hold off on the few things in this box. This month's theme for August is the Beauty Olympics. And it looks like we are focusing on metallic makeup. So I'm really intrigued to see what we receive in our box this month. As always, we're gonna begin with the Ipsy glam bag first. You guys, this is so cute. Really cute. And our first product we have here is a little makeup brush. It feels like a really nice brush. It feels like pretty good quality, not really cheap. And the design is really cute. They have little diamonds on it as well. And then we have a little mini Professional. I love their primers. This is a matte primer from Benefit. Benefit just always has really great primers. Next we have from YC Collection. This is a highlighter in the shade Creamsicle. It has a very pretty shimmer and it has almost like a bronzy look, so it's really pretty. Our next product is an e.l.f. product. This is their Glow Receiver Lip Oil. It's also infused with apricot oil. This is the shade Pink Quartz. And the color looks really pretty. I think this would be more of like a gloss that goes over, yes, a gloss that goes over a regular lipstick, kind of like a topper. And our last product we have here is from Kiara Moon. This is a Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum, a nice traveling face serum. It has a really good smell. It smells like fruit, like a mixed batch of fruit. That is it for our glam bag. So we're gonna dive into the Boxycharm. Here we are. Here's our little August ad. The Beauty Olympians right here. And some featured products for the month. And from the looks of it, we have quite a bit of goodies in here. So I'm just gonna start with Love Craft Beauty. And it's a lip liner and blush in the shade, let's see, Galactic Glamour. Packaging is just so cute. On one side you have the little brush, and on the other side, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's a very beautiful shade. Definitely excited for this one. Next we have some makeup brushes. These are Be Your Own Desire. So we got some makeup brushes here. It looks like a blending brush, a blush brush, and maybe a bronzer in there. They actually feel really nice, very soft to the touch. I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again, I feel like a girl can never have too many makeup brushes. Next up we have a mini mix palette, the Ofra Unconditional. This is their collaboration with Hot Mess Mama, right on the back here too. We're gonna dive right in here and see what colors we are looking at. Okay, these are really pretty. They have a nice cover on it, and here's what that's looking like. So beautiful. I will definitely be using these. Next we have a Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And it is not the mini size, it's the full size. So I'll definitely be putting this to use as well. And last but not least, we have this sunscreen from Vacation. I've been seeing their products everywhere and I haven't yet tried any of their products, so I am excited for this. I'm always excited for sunscreen because you can never have too much sunscreen. I literally use it every single day. So very excited for this one. And that is all in our Boxycharm. What do you guys think? I think there are a lot of goodies in here that I'm very excited about. And now moving on to the icon box. This one is always so exciting to me. So here's our icon box ad. I have the icon box by Chrissy Teigen and John Legend. So this will be a really fun read. It sounds like they give some date night in, self-care tips, some recipes for glam, and some craveable content for the dream team. This came out really cute, actually. Definitely excited to see what we got in here. All right, let's see. We have a dry bar product. I don't think I've ever received a dry bar product in my Ipsy. This is their Final Call Frizz and Static Control Mist, which I definitely need literally right now. I just love the way all of their products smell. So good. Definitely excited for this one, for sure. I've never used this one before, but definitely gonna be in the near future. Next we have from Kat Berkey. I actually fell in absolute love with one of her moisturizers, and I'm so obsessed with it. It's her vitamin C moisturizer. This is her Reversal Lift and Fill Form Control Marine Collagen Gel. I am stoked for this one. I fell in love with that moisturizer so much that I really want to look more into her products. So getting this in my Ipsy this month is such a thrill. Let me know if you guys have tried this particular product and let me know your thoughts about it. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna smell it because I'm very excited for this product. They actually have a lot of goodies in this box. Next we have from Il Makiage, their Color Boss Master Palette. I always love how their products look. The packaging and everything is beautiful, and these colors are stunning. I could see myself using these colors for fall coming up for sure. Very beautiful. I could even see some of these colors on my cheeks and some as like a highlighter. I will definitely be using this palette. Next up we have a liquid eyeliner. This is from Danessa Myricks Beauty. Just a nice black liner. Usually I use Stila's eyeliner, but I will give this one a try. It kind of looks just like it. Our next product is The Ordinary. I know a lot of you are fans of The Ordinary, as I am as well. This is their multi-peptide eye serum. I actually haven't used any of their eye products, but I've used their serums and moisturizers, so I'm excited to try this and see if it really does anything. I find that eye products are really hard to find, and a lot of times I really don't notice any change or any difference in my eyes, so I'm excited for this. Next we have a product from JLo Beauty. This is a little lip mask, and it's in the shade Sweet Shine. There's no scent, but I'm definitely gonna get used to this because I actually got sunburn and my lips were so dry. Desperately need some hydration in them. Now we have the MZ Skin by Dr. Miriam Zamani. This is a calming moisturizer. I feel like all moisturizers should feel calming. But I love the packaging, very clean, very minimal. I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my hand here just to give a nice feeling. Oh, it definitely feels like a water-based moisturizer. I'm looking forward to trying this on my face. And the last thing in our box here is the Mew. It's a cleansing gel, a gentle cleansing face wash. I haven't heard of this brand, but my skin is very sensitive to cleansers, so I'm wondering how my skin is going to react to this one. I don't know, guys. It smells very strong of chemicals, so I don't know if this is going to be for me, but we'll see. So that is all with the icon box, but I still have 2 other products that I have to show you. So I'll start with this one. This is Loved 01. It's an exfoliating cleanser with rosehip and sea buckthorn oils that deeply help moisturize. And it also has bamboo, natural bamboo, gently exfoliates and cleans. And then it has aloe vera, which calms the skin. So I'm really interested to see how this works with my skin. It is vegan and cruelty-free, which I love. I can't really smell a scent, but I also have this on top. I don't want to open it just yet because I have a lot of exfoliators open right now. But I'm excited to try this. Let me know if you guys have tried it out before. And last but not least, we have the perfect chocolate chunk cookie mix. This is Cravings by Chrissy Teigen. So really excited for these. I mean, who doesn't love cookies? Just add egg and butter. So if you are vegan, you can veganize it, but I'm definitely gonna make some of these this week and post them on my story, sharing what I think. It's really hard. So cookies are my favorite little sweet snack besides ice cream. And if you have cookies and ice cream, then that is number one, my go-to. But finding a really good cookie is very challenging for me. I'm very picky with my cookies. So Chrissy Teigen, I'm looking forward to trying your cookie mix. And that is it for this month's Ipsy unboxing. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can continue bringing you more unboxings. And feel free to leave a comment saying hello. I love seeing your comments and all of your support and what your thoughts are on this month's Ipsy box. I think it was definitely better than last month, so very, very happy about that. I have some winning products here in my opinion, so very thrilled about it. I'd say I'm very happy with the month of August. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!